Yeah, that's correct, but that was a bit too much for us, so we wanted to order something lighter for tonight's suhoor. What would you offer?
More fruits.
Yeah, definitely masala was a bit too much. Can we have the second option instead of masala? What are the other options? Can we have 3 cheese omelets? That's correct. Can we also order extra fruits? Is that possible? Yeah, extra fruits. So we had some 3 fruit plates. Yeah. That'll be perfect. And and can we also get refreshment on water? So like 4 bottles of water would do.
And they will bring 5.
Yeah, right. So how can I order from the housekeeping? Okay. Oh, what's the number?
Егер сіз де күнделікті өмірде ағылшынша еркін сөйлеп үйренгіңіз келсе, менің арнайы 7 күндік Everyday English курсыма қосылыңыз. Бағасы тек бүгін, соңғы күн 4990 теңге, ертеңнен бастап бағасы көтеріледі. Жеңілдікпен тіркеліп үлгергіңіз келсе, осы видеоның астына Сәуір деп жазыңыз.